The trout keeps hitting the surface. He's taking stuff off the top. I'll try and get some film of him if I can. Of him taking stuff off the top before I try and catch him. He's been sitting around here while I've been trying to tie this fly up. I was so damn nervous. It took me ages to tie the bloody thing. Anyway, hunting fish. As soon as I see him circle back, I'll grab my rod and get down behind that tree, and I'm going to try and put this dun in the middle there. See if he won't pick it up. He's just passing me now. There he goes. Here he is right here. I so want to catch that damn fish. But it's a cat and mouse game now. Because if I move too quick, he'll take off. And I don't want to spook him, not at all. I want to catch him, bag him. Baby. Yeah. Alright. Time to get some work done.